Hello everyone, welcome back again. In today's tutorial I am going to show you how to create circle timeline infographic with 5 options. So let's see how to do this in PowerPoint. First go to Insert tab, Shapes and insert Downat shape. Increase its size and adjust its internal width. Remove outline. Then go to Insert tab and insert rectangle shape. Overlap the rectangle with the Downat shape to its half. Select both the shape and do fragment using merge shapes, fragment. Delete all the unwanted shapes. Select the shapes and remove outline. Add transparency to the shape, for alignment purpose. Then duplicate the shapes 4 times. Align the shapes. Select all the shapes and group it. Increase its size, align that to the center and middle to the slide. Ungroup the shapes and remove the transparency. Now we start adding the gradient color to the flow. Now slightly adjust the gradient markers in all shapes. Now select the first top shape, bring that front. Select the third top shape, send to back. Select the fourth top shape, send to back. Then select the fifth top shape, send to back. Again check for the gradient flow, make sure it was smooth. Select all the top shape. Add shadow, offset top. Select all the bottom shape. Add shadow, offset bottom. Then go to Insert Shape and insert line. Place that overlapping the shape and align it to the middle. Change its color to white and increase its width to 4 points. Insert a circle and align that to the middle and center of the first segment. Remove outline and add white fill. Add center shadow. Duplicate the shapes and place the shapes to the center of each segments respectively. Duplicate the white shape, reduce its size. Remove shadow and change its color. Duplicate the shape and align that to all the shapes respectively. Select all the duplicated shapes, group, align that to the center and middle to the slide. Insert line, change its cap type and join type. Width to 2.5 points. Align that to all the small circles, connecting the each segments and circles. Select all the dotted lines, group, send that to back. Add text to the layout. Select all the white circle. Duplicate and place that in its original position. Reduce its size. Now add the icons. Select all the icons and align that the middle of the circle. Then select each icons and align that to the center of the circles, respectively. Select all the headers and increase its size a little. So here it's our final slideshow. Hope you liked it. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Also don't forget to click notification bell icon. Thanks a lot for watching this video. See you in my next video.